Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and this is your NCERT series for CBSE 9, right? And we are completing the solutions for NCERT questions. Okay, so this is your chapter Polynomials, and in this class we'll be talking about the solutions for the exercise 2.4, question number 5, 1 and 2. So in question number 5 there are total 4 questions, so we'll be dealing with the first and the second question in this session. So let us start the part. So देखो बेटा, first part is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, so whenever you have these cubic equations to solve, so first thing which will come to your mind is that first देखो, these questions are solved in 3 steps, and first is hit and trial method. Okay, so you try different values of x, then you get one of the zeros. If it is a cubic equation, we know there will be 3 zeros, right? So we'll find any one of the zeros, then from that zero we will get the factor. That factor we will be using that factor to divide this equation. We'll get some quotient. That quotient will further factorize to get the remaining factor. Okay, so let's look at the first part. Suppose the first question is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This cubic equation I need to factorize. So in this, look at the constant number. The constant number is 2. So write all the factors of 2. So either it is plus minus 1 or plus minus 2. So try these values and see at which value of x do you get the answer equal to 0. That means one of the zeros. Out of these, one of the zero we will get. One of the zero is definitely one of these. है ना? There is out of plus 1 or minus 1, plus 1 or minus 2, there is one of the zeros. So I will say कि चलो, so let us try for plus 1, है ना? So if I put x is equal to 1 in this equation, I'll get 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So 1 cube is 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 1 plus 2, you can say it is equal to 0, right? So I can say that x is equal to 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. X is equal to 1 is a 0 of this polynomial px. Let's say it is a polynomial px, correct? Of this polynomial px. Okay, if x is equal to 1 is a 0, how do you get the factor? Shift 1 over there, so you will get x minus 1. So I can say x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So देखो बेटा, this cubic equation, if it is given, by I can say this px is a cubic equation, so it will have 3 factors. 3 zeros, 3 factors. So one of these factors is x minus 1. I need to get the remaining 2 factors. So I have an idea that if I shift this x minus 1 over there, that is px upon x minus 1, if I am doing, I'll get my remaining 2 factors, right? So I can say कि sir, if I divide this polynomial by the one factor which I know, I will get my remaining 2 factors. So let us use long division method. So x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, I will divide it by x minus 1. So you'll be getting x. How do you create x cube from x? Multiply it with x square. So x square into x is x cube. X square into minus 1 is minus x square. Correct? Now here we will change the sign because we will subtract them. So it will become minus, it will become plus. X cube minus x cube got cancelled. Minus 2x square plus x square is minus x square minus x plus 2. How do you create minus x square from x? Multiply with minus x, because if I multiply minus x with x, I will get minus x square. Minus x with minus 1 is minus x into minus 1 is what? Plus x. Sorry, yeah, x into minus 1 is what? Plus x. Now again we will do the subtraction, change the sign, it will become plus, it will become minus. This part got cancelled. Minus x is minus 2x plus 2. How do I create minus 2x from x? Multiply x with minus 2, right? So minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1, negative into negative is positive plus 2. Again do the subtraction, change the sign, plus minus 2x plus 2x got cancelled. 2 minus 2 is 0. Remember, whenever we will be dividing a polynomial with one of its factor, remainder must be 0. So in these division, After getting the factor, remainder must be 0. That means your division is correct. Otherwise, you have made some mistake in the question if you are not getting the remainder as 0. Right? Now I will factorize this quadratic equation. This quotient which I have got, I need to factorize this. So I will say, sir, x square minus x minus 2. I need to factorize this part. So the factorization, addition should be minus 1, multiplication should be minus 2. Quite easy, minus 2 and 1, right? So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Factorization of the quadratic equation using splitting the middle term. So take x common, x minus 2, and here take plus 1 common, x minus 2. So take x minus 2, you are getting x plus 1. So these are your remaining two factors. So this px, this polynomial will be written as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. Right? This is how the factorization of this polynomial you will get. So the factorization of this polynomial is what? X minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. Any order you can write them. You can write them in any order you want. So this is how you will be able to do the factorization. So cubic equations factorization is a very important part in your NCERT. Take care. First 0 you will get by trial and error method. Try different values, and what values you will try upon the constant term. Whatever is the constant term, its factors you need to try. Try its factors. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. These are the factors. So any one factor you will get. Once you have got any one factor, divide the polynomial by that factor. You will get a quotient. Factorize that quotient. You will get the remaining two factors. Got it? On the same basis, let's solve the second question as well. Second question is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Correct? So 5's factorization I want. So it is either plus minus 1 or plus minus 5 because it is a prime number, right? So these are the four factors. Let us try it for x is equal to 1. So if I put x is equal to 1, it is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. So you are getting 1 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. So it is not equal to 0, I can say for sure. Not equal to 0. Let's try x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 3 is again minus 3. Minus 9 into minus 1. So minus 9 minus 1, negative into negative is positive. 9 into 1 is 9 minus 5. So you can see minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So it is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 1 is a 0. So if x is equal to minus 1 is a 0, how do you get a factor? Shift minus 1 over there. So x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor. Got it? If x plus 1 is one of the factor, what we will do? We will divide this polynomial px by this factor x plus 1. So divide x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 with x plus 1. I want to create x cube from x, multiply it with x square. X square into x is x cube. Multiply x square with 1 as well, so plus x square. Right? Let us subtract them. Whenever we subtract, we change the signs. So minus, minus, this got cancelled. Minus 3x square minus x square is minus 4x square minus 9x minus 5. Now I will create minus 4x square from x. What I should multiply? X into minus 4x, right? So minus 4x into x is minus 4x square. Minus 4x into 1 is minus 4x. Subtract it, plus, plus. This part again got cancelled. Minus 9x plus 4x is minus 5x minus 5. How do you create minus 5x from x? Simple, sir. Multiply it with minus 5. So minus 5x, minus 5 into plus 1 is minus 5. Subtract them. So again positive, positive. You can see minus 5x plus 5x 0. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. See, I have told you, checking step. If remainder is 0, solution is correct. We have done the division correct. Our factor is correct. Everything is correct. The remaining two factor is the factorization of this quadratic equation. So factorize this x square. Addition should be minus 4. Multiplication should be minus 5. So minus 5x plus x. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. So take here x common. You are getting x minus 1. take plus 1 common, you are left with x minus 5. So you are getting x minus 5 into x plus 1. So these are your remaining two factors. So factorization of the second part is what? They go, first we got x plus 1 and then we got x plus 1 into x minus 5. Got it? So x plus 1 is 2 times here also and here also. So it can happen. Na? If I multiply x plus 1 whole square into x minus 5, I will get this term. So don't be, oh sir, x plus 1 I am getting 2 times. You can multiply x plus 1 with x plus 1, right? So this will be the factorization of this cubic equation. So this is how you will factorize the cubic equation. The third and fourth you will get in the next session. And next video mein I will solve the third and fourth question as well. Got it? So this is the solution. Okay, also you can join Vedantu subscription by going to this link vdnt.in/ytpro. Select your grade, select your target, CBSE or ICSE, and then you need to use this coupon code GPPRO to get 15% off. Okay, so you will have an option to choose from 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. Any one out of these you can choose. So in this part here, enter coupon code, you need to apply the coupon code GPPRO. When you will apply this, your price will change from here to here, 15% off in 1 month. Same coupon is applicable for 3 months also, and same coupon is applicable for 6 months as well. Also, it is not like since I am teaching maths, so this price is only for maths. No, it is for all the subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST and English. All the 6 major subjects will be covered under this price for 6 months. So it's a great deal. The price for every class will be less than 10 rupees per month. So a great deal for all of you. All of you can really join this course and it will be very beneficial for all of you. Okay? So this is the link and this is the code. Got it? So this is all from my side, Vita, in today's class. I hope all of you understood the part, and if you have understood it, don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.